In this quick video, I want to show you how to factory reset any HP laptop. Now this particular one is an HP Mini, Windows 7, but you might have Windows 8, 10, or 11. And it's fairly simple to do. Make sure it's completely turned off, plugged in, and you have everything, all your stuff backed up to a USB drive or whatever pictures or files that you need backed up. So it's going to make it like it's brand new out of the box. So what you want to do is you're going to turn it on, and you're going to hit the F11. F is in Frank 11 several times, and it should pop up recovery. All right, power it on. F11. And as you're going to see here, it says here on the bottom left, system recovery. It's going to have a bar pops up. All right, so it'll bring up a screen like this, tell you what you can do. So what you're going to do is you have these options. You can restore your system to an earlier date if you want to repair something. System recovery, restore your computer to its original factory condition. So that's what we're going to do right here. Restore to the original factory condition like it's brand new out of the box. Now you can back up, but like we said, we've already done that. So what we're going to do is we are going to recover without backing up. And then click Next. Use this program. Please detach all external devices. Okay, we've done that. All right, and this will take about anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and it should be like it's brand new out of the box. If you have an older computer, I'd recommend updating your RAM, which is usually on the bottom, or sometimes it's underneath the keyboard, to make it a little bit faster for these older computers. All right, thanks for watching.